Hi friends, today we're going to be learning on how to make a jumping snowman. So first of all, we're going to create our snowman. So to make his body over here, I'm in Google Drawings and I'm going to go to shapes and I'm going to make a circle. So if you don't know where Google Drawings is, then if you have Google Drive, you go in there, you click on the add button and then you click on more, and over there when you have a drop down, you'll see Google Drawings. So I'm going to expand this. So this is a base, so it's going to be a little big, a little fat. And over here, we're going to go to our gradient ones, and I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to make our background transparent. I'm going to copy this and paste it twice for our body and for our head. I'm going to make this one a bit smaller. Not too small. And then I'm going to add this over here. So then to make this look a little like a jumping snowman, we're going to order it and we're going to send to back. So over here I have this, and you can change your green color according to how you want it. You can even make it a little more brighter, however you like it. Now we're going to add a facial details basically. So I'm going to add a circle and I'm going to color it black. So these will be our olive eyes. So I have two little cute eyes. Now I'm going to be adding a triangle carrot nose. So for that, you can make a long triangle like this. If you watch one of my math videos, I'll tell you what kind of triangle it is. So I'm going to turn this almost 180, and I'm going to fill this orange. So the orange color makes it look a little more like a carrot. So you can see you have the carrot, you have the eyes. Now you need the mouth. So for the mouth, I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to take the circle and I'm going to paste it twice. And I'm going to shrink it. And I'm going to paste it like 4 times. So now I'm going to drag this over here, and I'm going to make it look a little like a mouth. So we can even make our circle a little higher, so we can rise it a little up. So I'm going to make a little smiley using these little mouth olives or black circles. So if you want, you can even make more circles. So over here I have this. Now we're going to add a little hat, a Santa hat. So for that, I'm going to use the curve. I'm going to go over here. So I've made more of these like that. So I'm going to, so I skipped a step and forget that. So I'm going to first of all add a little base for our hat. So that we're going to use for this shape. So this is all curved from the side, so it helps the look. And this part over here will be a little gradient white. So I'll make it look a little like that. We're going to make that white. So now I'm going to drag this to the center. So over here, there's it is, and now we're going to make our little hat. So I'm going to drag it over here. We're going to edit it a bit. So now I'm going to just select it. So try to work and double click like that. I'm going to drag this here. So I'm going to now put this little here. And I can expand this part a bit. So you just need to edit it a bit till it looks perfect. So I'm going to edit this a bit. I'm gonna shrink this section, and I'm gonna bend this a bit more. And now we're going to take this and I'm going to fill it. You can fill it whatever color you like, but since I'm doing the Santa theme, I'm gonna fill it red. And its outline is also gonna be red. So now we're gonna add a little pom-pom. So over here I'm going to glutes, and I see this number 10. I'm gonna click on 10-point star. You can click on any one you like. And I'm going to fill it the same one as I did for the base of the hat. This will be a little grayish color. So you can do this on any other gradient color if you like to. So now I'm going to take this face smiley and I'm going to add 3 more of it for the buttons. Cute little buttons for him. So since I expanded, I'm not going to use these, so I don't have to expand it again. I'm going to just use this one. So I have these. I have these 3 buttons over here in a line. So now I'm going to zoom back out. And over here we're going to work on our background now. So I'm going to first of all click on background. You just need to go like this. You need to double click. You click on background and you can make this whatever color you like. I'm going to make a little that color. So you can see it looks a little gradient. I'm going to go in shapes now, and I'm going to add this little cloud, just so it looks like it's actually jumping into the sky. So I'm going to fill this out one of our gradient colors. So I'm going to do this one. This will be this color. And you can see we have clouds. I can add more of these. So you can see over here are clouds, and now you can see that this part is touching down below, so I can shrink it a bit. So I'm going to go like that. Just make it a little shorter from here so that it doesn't come in the way. And you can see it's literally hanging in the way. Now I'm going to make a little arms for him. So for that, we're going to go to our line again, and I'm going to just click line. So I need to make this a brown color, and I'm going to make it 4px, and I'm actually going to make it 8px because it makes it look a little thinner. And I'm going to select that, so I have a second arm over here. Now I'm going to click back on this, and I'm going to make the little tiny arms so we can zoom in for that. I'm going to make one this much, one that much, and another right there. So, and then I'll show you another way that you can do stuff. So I'm going to select that. So I'm going to first of all move this cloud out of the way, and then we can add it back. So then you can click Control-Alt-G, so that'll group it all. And I can copy that and paste it. We can move our cloud back, and I can remove this line. So now let's quickly zoom out. And I'm gonna take this, go right like that, and not you. I'm gonna take this arm and put it right here. So over here, I have my little Frosty the Snowman jumping, or whatever you give your snowman a name. So you can see now all we need is just a little heading. So we're gonna write jumpin' snowman. So now I'm going to make this whatever font I like. So we can try different fonts. So I like this one. If you don't like this font, you can add any other font you like. Make it all big. So then I can add it over here. And you can see how this pic looks so beautiful. It looks perfect just to me. And over here we can even add a little name up here. You can make this as a little album cover. You can use it just as a free time art making. You can use it to show everybody. You can use it for different purposes. You can even print this out and hang it up on your fridge.